Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be reacting to yet another video, but first, happy 4th of July, happy Freedom Day, happy Independence Day, America's birthday, and we are at it again with our third video of the day, and I am super excited. This one's going to be a little bit shorter, but I think it's going to be super interesting. We're going to be reacting to the top 5 biggest firework shells. Because, hey, I mean, I'm going to be honest. I'm a little bummed I don't get to see my fireworks this year, so I'm kind of going all out on the YouTube with the fireworks today. So we're going to react to top 5 biggest fireworks shells. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. If you do like this video, please hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss the videos that I'm going to be posting twice a day from here on out. All right, let me get my ears on and we'll get started. Get out of the way here. And always, folks, I will have the original video linked in the description if you would like to go check them out. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Top 5 biggest fireworks shells. $24. 2 feet. Whoa, that was sweet. Dang. So real quick before we keep going, I wonder how big like the average fireworks that the cities light off here in the States. You know, like what, you know, the bigger cities, what's the average size firework? I don't actually know that. This fifth one was 2 feet, which is pretty freaking big. The same size? Wow, that's cool. Oh, there it is. The cannon. Wow. That's so cool. 48 inches. That's twice the size of the last one. They need a crane to put it in the thing. That's a giant mortar. Oh my gosh. He missed the shot. Wow. Oh, wow. So it's like a bunch of pretty big fireworks and a ginormous firework. That was legit. All right. Another 4-footer. You can hear it too. Doof. Wow. That was amazing. Is this China? They know how to do fireworks. I'll tell you that. Number 1, 4 feet. Oh. Oh. Something went a little wrong there, it looks like. Let's watch that again, slow-mo. Because it shot out this right over here. Dang. That is insane. Okay, that's the end of the video. That, you know, it's a quick video. I might do a couple more reactions in the future to some more firework videos, because when I looked up this one, there was a lot of other stuff out there that looked really cool too. So I might have to go and look into that as well. But I figured I'd keep it light here on the 4th of July for you. I hope you guys are all having a great time, staying safe. Shout out to anybody who has or will lose a finger today. I'm sorry if that happened to you or is going to happen to you. But be safe out there. Have yourself a beer. Happy birthday, America. Peace, love. We'll see you later. Goodbye.